Let's create a song that's a little more technical using several functions on the Kaossilator 2. We'll make a dubstep song. Usually the drums are recorded first, but this time we'd like to start with some chords. We're using the Scale chord program. I'm going to change the scales because I'd like to have darker sounds for this track. The Kaossilator 2 provides 35 different scales, which cover many different styles of music. Please listen to the sounds and select one that's suitable for your music. I've selected the harmonic minor scale. Now I'm going to record this into bank 2. Let's add the drums next. The Kaossilator 2 has a great drum pattern for making dubstep tracks. This is pattern 137. The beat's a little bit slow, so I'm going to change the BPM in the function menu. I've set the BPM to around 140 beats per minute. By changing the BPM, the recorded chordal phrase will also be time stretched to fit properly. The loop length is currently 4 beats, which is a little short for dubstep, so I'm going to make the length longer. The length can be changed by touching the slider while pressing the Loop 2 button simultaneously. Now the loop length is 8 beats. Let's stretch the length of the recorded phrase in bank 1. Let's add a bass sound. Now it's starting to sound like a dubstep track. Next, we're going to add a synth lead. I'd like to add a sequence pattern, so I'm going to add a gate arpeggiator and select a pattern. I'm going to choose a pattern that's a bit more complex. I'm going to change the note range so that the performance will have more dynamics. Let's stop playback. On the Kaossilator 2, note range is assigned to each sound program. You can change the range using the X direction, which is horizontal on the touchpad. Now, let's add 1 octave. Now there are 2 octaves. Now there are 3 octaves. Since I prefer more dynamics, I'm going to set the range to the maximum value. This is the maximum range. Let's try performing with this setting. And now let's add some more sounds. Now I'm going to start recording again so we can add these sounds.